The website Voki.com allows you to create speaking avatars of people that look like you and or any other character or person you may be studying. So the place to start is at Voki.com. And at Voki.com, you can create an account if you'd like using your Edina Apps account. However, you don't need to create an account if you're just going to be making one Voki, and you can finish in the time that you've got in the class. So the first tab you're going to click on is Create, and when the Voki comes up, it will be a random character that they generate for you. So for here, it is the baby. So I can customize my character by putting on whichever animated character they have right now. I can also just start with either a girl or a boy, and then you can go through and you can sort of scroll through some of these different ones that they have designed for us. Starting with the classic allows you to start making one that looks a little bit more like you. So you can go in and then you can create, you can select different hair for your character. You can select a different mouth for your character. You can also start tweaking the color of the eyes, the skin, the hair color to look a little bit more like yourself. So once you've tweaked some of those different things, you can also go into clothing, and you can choose sports clothing, casual clothing, costumes, uniforms, something that's dressy. Again, you'll only just see a little portion of it. You can also go to bling, and you can do glasses, you can do some jewelry. If you don't want the glasses that are on, you can just select, I believe there's a no option here. So there's lots of scrolling that you can go through, and you can do lots of different glasses if you want to. So when you're done with that and you're done making your character look the way that you'd like to, again, here are the options. You can also go to backgrounds, and you can select a background that you'd like for your person to have. Some of them are animated, some of them I think are static as well. So you could just have one that's in the background that's moving. Here are a lot of other selections that you can have, the outdoors, the city views, different things. So once you select everything, you click Done, and now you need to give your character a voice. So you can either have Voki call you, you can just write the text, you can record it if you have a microphone with you, or you can upload text. Today, just for time's sake, I'm just going to show text to speech. So I could start typing, hello, my name is Molly, and I'm learning about explorers. Now this would be fun too if you even had your Voki look like the explorer, and you could have the explorer tell a little bit about. Then you get to choose the accent language and the voice, and when you're done you click Done. Now the last thing in this is to click the publishing button. When you click the publishing button, you don't have to save it. If you can click save, if you haven't logged in, it's not going to save for any period of time. It's just going to be saving for today. And if you don't want to create the character or create an account, you just click on X. Now you can either add it to a website by getting the HTML code, or you can send it to a friend. So you would have to have your name and your email, and then you would have your teacher's email, and then you could click send. I'm going to show you today how you could add it to your website. So if you just copy the original code that's right on the website here, and then if you go to your website, a Google site, and I'm going to create a new page for this, and it's going to be called Voki, and it's going to be a web page, and I'm going to create site. This is the new layout of what Google Sites is going to look like once it's updated. And when I get in here, I can just know that I have the HTML code, so I can click on this HTML button right here, and after I've clicked on that, all I do is I right click and I paste, or you can do Control V, and you paste in the code, click Update, and then up on the top right hand corner click Save, and now your Voki is in there, and people can push play to hear the different things that you've said. So,
hello, my name is Molly and I'm learning about explorers.
That is Voki and how you can put it on a website.